All right, so I purchased my Cybertruck all-wheel drive not too long ago. I've had the truck for about almost 3 weeks. So whenever you purchase the Cybertruck, you specifically the dual motor, you actually get it comes with the PowerShare, which a lot of people know what the PowerShare is all about. You can transfer energy from your truck to your house. I was very excited about that, and they give you the voucher for the PowerShare system. And so today I had the phone call with the local electrician, super nice guy, nothing against him, but Tesla does you pretty dirty on that one. Something I didn't know is how much it's gonna cost after in order to get it installed. So that was a bit of a surprise. And you may be wondering, what is the price? Well, let me tell you. So the PowerShare, the voucher they give you is $2,500. Sounds great. I was expecting, all right, cool. So it's $2,500. I know that the installation is not included. So, it could, probably $1,000, $2,000. I'm like, okay, I can handle that. So I got on the call today. They started putting all the numbers down. I have a single family home, just for contact purposes, so everybody knows. I'm not sure if you guys live in an apartment or live in like a bigger home. Mine's a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home. So I was on the phone with the electrician just now. I got off the phone. He gave me the quote with installation and everything. It comes out to be 6,000, almost it's under 7,000, so 6,500. That was around the number. I should have taken a screenshot so I can put it on here. And the guy was super nice. He's like, look, like I know a lot of people get surprised when they see this price. 6,000 plus is a lot of money. And I asked, well, is the voucher included in that? Does Tesla pay anything? No, all comes out of your pocket. That kind of sucks. I'm a big Tesla fan. I love Tesla. I love my Cybertruck. It sucks. I've spent a lot of money already, and I just cannot justify spending another $6,500 on an installation alone. So I guess I'm gonna have to use the voucher for something else. I do need the charger, so I might just get the charger. That little charger that it comes with doesn't do much. I don't know. That's where I'm at right now. But if you are somebody who is excited about your PowerShare, you're probably watching this video because you saw the title, and you're probably wondering how much does it cost, because there's no information out there on it. Yeah. Basically, if you can't afford that, I recommend save yourself time, effort, and get yourself something that you want from the Tesla store with the voucher. So I will have other videos coming up. This is the first one. This was not the first video I wanted to post about Tesla, but it's the most recent one, and it's fresh, and I feel like I should just record it and put it on here, and hopefully it helps somebody else save some time. But I do have other videos coming up. I do want to give more information on the process of actually picking up your Cybertruck. I've never had a Tesla before. This is my first Tesla I've ever driven, and I love it. But there's a lot of things that I wish I would have known when I went to pick it up. So on my next video, I most likely will talk about that. So just if you're going to pick up your Cybertruck and you have never picked up a Tesla or a Cybertruck, and you just want to know what to expect, I'm going to go into detail about that, just so that you don't get caught off guard either, and you're not left like wondering what to do, because it did take me a while, and it did catch me off guard, and I was not sure what to do. And yeah, I just wish somebody would have made a video on that. If somebody has, I didn't find it, but I'll make a video on that for you guys. So with that being said, catch you guys on the next one, and thank you for watching.